Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting WhatsApp Business API access or onboarding through a BSB. This gives you API credentials. Once done, verify a phone number in Facebook Business Manager and confirm your display name. Next, pick a chatbot platform or framework that supports WhatsApp webhooks and REST calls. Configure your environment. Set up a public HTTPS endpoint, obtain an SSL certificate, and store API keys securely. These steps let you begin linking messages to your bot in the next phase. Now implement the middle steps. Connect your webhook endpoint to the WhatsApp API and subscribe to message events. Validate incoming requests using the provider signature to prevent spoofing. Once messages arrive, map payload fields to your bot's intent handlers and maintain session context for each user phone number. Implement logic to send templated messages for notifications and interactive messages for menus. Make sure to honor rate limits and format templates exactly. Test with a sandbox number before moving to production. Finish by running thorough end-to-end tests. Simulate user flows, media uploads, and template deliveries to confirm behavior. Once done, implement monitoring and logging for delivery statuses and add retry logic for transient failures while respecting backoff. Make sure your bot gracefully handles NAC, blocked users, and template rejections. Finally, scale with a message queue and rate control as traffic grows, and document policy compliance. Troubleshooting tip: if messages fail, check webhook signature, phone number status, and template approval first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.